Hello everyone, welcome to Victor's Analytics Hub. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. The if function is one of the most popular functions in Microsoft Excel and it is a very important function for you to know. So what is an if function or statement? An if statement allows you to create if or then statements in Excel. It's like a decision making tool for your spreadsheet. I'm going to give an example on that. So as you can see on my screen here, I have, like, let's assume I'm running a water bottle company and this is my profit. This is the profit I made for each month. I want to write an if statement and I want to say if my monthly profit is greater than or equal to 1k, then I want it to return a good month. If it's less than 1k, then I want it to return a bad month. So there are multiple ways of writing formulas and functions in Excel. So the first way is to come up here now that it's writing insert function. You can click it. I'm just going to select another function just for the sake of this video. So now I'm going to come up here where it's asking me to search for a function. So I'm going to search for if. Then I'm going to hit go. Then you click OK. It's going to bring you this. This is going to pop up, but I'm going to use another way is just to use equals sign. And now if checks whether a condition is met and return one value if true and another value if false. So what is my logical test now? Remember I said that I want to check my profits. If it's greater or equal to 1k, then I want it to return a good month. I want to know the months where I had a good month and the months where I had, when my months were bad. So if C8 greater or equal to, I'm going to put a cell reference there. I'm going to put an absolute reference there. What should I return if the value is true? I want to return a good month. Again, put an absolute reference there. Value if false, return a bad month. Again, with my absolute reference. Then I hit OK. Then I copy it down. It's easy as that. It's just easy as that. So what an if statement is there is like it compares a value. It compares a cell with a value or a cell with another cell and check for your condition. If your condition is met or if it is true, then it returns a value of your choosing. It returns that value. Why? If it is false, it also returns a value of your choosing. If your comparison is false or anything. So I'm going to be showing you guys another example on using the if statement or function, anyhow you decide to put it. So in this my example now, let's assume I'm a teacher. So I just received, or I have a list of my students, their first name, their last name, first CA, second CA, their exam score, and their total. The total, which is when you sum all this thing up, that's where you get their total. So I'm going to write, and if you look below, I have the criteria. So for you to pass, you need to score 55 or above. And for it to fail, in order for you to fail, you need to score below 55. Your total needs to be below 55. So I'm going to write an if statement now to know who passed and who failed. So to do that, if what do I want? If cell G2 greater or equal to 55, value if true. Now, I'm not going to be cell referencing in this example. In my previous example, I cell referenced and I also used the absolute reference. But I'm not going to cell reference or absolute reference anything now. So If you are going to be the one that is going to write in your criteria, or especially the value that will be returned to you, if it is true or not, especially if you're writing letters, you need to wrap it in quotation. So I want you to return pass, value if false. I want you to return fail. Now, in case I wasn't clear, once you are writing a formula, and if you want to return value if true or value if false, and you are not self-referencing, always wrap it in quotation mark. Always wrap, sorry, always wrap it in a quotation. Sorry. So there you have it now. So what did I do? I said if the total is greater than or equal to 55, return pass. But if it is less than 55, return fail. This is not up to 55. This is not up to 55. This is greater than 55, so it return give me pass. So I guess I hope you guys understand what I just did there. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you also want to encourage me, please subscribe. Thank you.